Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm getting news of peaceful protest in India about delay in Canada visa processing, especially for spouse visa like spouse open work permit and all. I was watching some videos and also some news articles, like especially in Chandigarh, these protests have been taking place, but they are doing very peaceful protests, so there's nothing to worry about it. But I can understand their pain that living apart from your spouse for more than a year, this just doesn't harm your future aspect. Even the current aspect, like relationships, get sour. Like in a long distance relationship, when you don't have anybody to support you emotionally, that really hits you hard. And I saw a lot of people speaking there who were standing in the protest that it is affecting their relationship, and I totally believe that it does. When you are in long distance and with the problem is the hope. Like there is no hope when exactly it's gonna open. There's nobody who can tell us the date that when it will resume to normal operation, and if somebody has a file pending for more than a year, how it's gonna work. One more thing, I saw some of them speaking that for newer files decisions are coming, but for the older files, some of them have even pre-COVID that there's no decision, and a lot of them have interviews recommended, but they don't know when they will get the interview call. It's really hard for me to comment about this, but some update I have got for interview, like one of my subscribers, she had got a telephonic interview from Delhi embassy, and then she got the PPR. So hopefully they keep on doing it. And but yes, I don't know if they wanna do it for all, because in some cases they may want additional documents, or they may want some more things that can be done in a personalized interaction. But as I said, it's hard to comment, but this is going on, and I'm going to include the link in the description. And I wish that they get reunited. It's really hit you hard when you stay away from your family, and especially in this pandemic time when things are locked down, you need emotional support of your family members more than ever. So hopefully this comes true, and I wish all of them good luck, and I wish all of them get their applications finalized soon. Thanks for watching, guys.